now I would like to go to my colleague Aneri, who is in Hyderabad. Aneri, please take us through all the excitement that's there in the Ram Mandir from where you're reporting in Hyderabad, Saidabad.
Definitely a lot of excitement among the people, and also at the same time, just as the countdown for the Pran Pratishta of Ram Mandir has begun, well, we are seeing that not only in Hyderabad but across the country, definitely there are various programs being organized by the people. But as we are reporting from a Ram temple here, which is a 400-year-old Ram temple, and also now, as you can see behind me, preparations are in full swing. Children here, people here have come together. They have cleaned the temple premises, and also now they are making preparations for the grand celebrations which will be taking place tomorrow. And this is a 400-year-old temple, and also the speciality of this is that idols, the Lord Ram idols are from Bhadrachalam, and this is a very old temple which has been now renovated. And also at the same time, as you can see, people here gearing up for the Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishta, which is all set to take place. Well, we have with us the temple authorities. आप बताइए यहाँ पे किस तरह से preparations हो रही है, किस तरह से यहाँ पे preparations की है?
यहाँ पे 3 दिन से जो काम चल रहा है, आप देख रहे हैं, हर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो मंदिरों में क्लीन करने के स्वच्छ अभियान का आवाज़ दिए थे, उसके तहत पूरा मंदिरों का 3 दिन से क्लीनिंग चल रहा है। कल बहुत बड़ा यहाँ पे आयोजित प्रोग्राम है, और राम जी का प्रतिष्ठा अयोध्या में जो भव्य राम मंदिर का प्रतिष्ठापना हो रहा है, उसका कार्यक्रम को लेके जो देश भर में और ये आयोजित किया जा रहा है। तो श्री राम भक्त समाज, ये संस्था का नाम है श्री राम भक्त समाज है, और ये समाज 200 साल पुराना संस्था है। ये श्री रामनवमी का कल्याण जो होता है, वो बहुत बढ़िया 16 दिन का यह कल्याण मनाते हैं। और ये कल का भी प्रोग्राम बहुत बड़ा, सवेरे 5 बजे से राम जी का कार्यक्रम शुरू होता है, और 8 बजे यहाँ पे यज्ञ कार्यक्रम आयोजन हुआ है, और 10 बजे से राम जी का जो जपम होता है वो 12 बजे तक वो कार्यक्रम होता। इसका बाद में जो अयोध्या में राम मंदिर का जो लाइव चल रहा है, तो भक्तों को यहाँ पे लाइव प्रदर्शन करने के बाद अन्न प्रसाद, यहाँ पे भोजन का व्यवस्था, और शाम में राम जी का भजन कार्यक्रम भी यहाँ पे आयोजित
इस मंदिर की खासियत क्या है? ये 400 साल पुराना मंदिर है, इस मंदिर की खासियत क्या है? यहाँ पे जो राम जी की मूर्ति है वो कहाँ से आई?
ये आप बोले जैसा बहुत पुराना चरित्र है इस राम मंदिर का। तो यहाँ पे हर सवेरे 5 बजे सुप्रभात सेवा से राम जी का सेवा चलता है, और हर शनिवार का दिन विष्णु सहस्रनामा महिलाओं के ज़रिए ये स्वामी जी का सेवा करते, और शनिवार का रात में 9 बजे भजन कार्यक्रम राम जी का होता है। ये बहुत पुराना चल रहा है। श्री राम भक्त समाज के जो नाम से यहाँ पे कार्यक्रम होते हैं, साल भर में बहुत कार्यक्रम लेते हैं हम ये मंदिर के तरफ से। ऐसा श्री राम नवमी जो मैं बताया था, वो श्री राम जन्मभूमि कहीं कहीं मनाते हैं नॉर्थ में, यहाँ पे साउथ में पूरा श्री राम कल्याण होता है। तो वो श्री राम नवमी जो होता है वो कल्याण 16 दिन का बनाते हैं। यहाँ पर राम कल्याण के से शुरू होकर हर दिन एक शोभा यात्रा निकलता है, 16 दिन तक यहाँ पे कार्यक्रम चलते हैं। और ये जो तेलंगाना स्टेट में जितने भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, ज़्यादातर के जो डिस्ट्रिक्टों से बड़े बड़े भजन टीम रहते हैं, एक 50-100 जने का भजन टीम आके स्वामी जी का सेवा करते हैं।
So as you can see how preparations are underway, but also I'll show you around the temple, because this is a very old temple, and on one side, as we can see, preparations which are underway, but also here there are a few children who are cleaning the temple premises as a part of the cleanliness abhiyan which is going on. As you can see, children here who are taking part in this, and they are making sure that the temple premises is being cleaned. So as you can see, the cleanliness cleanliness drive is being going on. Well, this is not only here but in across various temples. There are various programs which are organized, and as you can see, children here who are cleaning the temple to make sure that tomorrow, that is on the occasion of the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Temple, Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, everyone makes sure that everyone is a part of it, and that is the reason why we are seeing preparations going on. Well, we definitely lot of events and lot of programs being organized across the city, and also we have been seeing how one of the biggest laddus, that was 1265 kgs of big laddu, was made here in Hyderabad, and then it was moved to Ayodhya on the occasion of Pran Pratishtha. And now we are also seeing that here kids who are here, they are making all the arrangements. Cleanliness drive is being taking place here at a 400-year-old Ram temple in Saidabad area.
All right, Aneri, thank you so much for sharing all this, the preparation that's happening in this beautiful Ram Mandir in Saidabad. Viewers, that was my colleague Aneri, who took us through the whole Ram Mandir in Saidabad and how the preparations are on full swing over there. Now, after Gursimran from Jammu and Aneri from Saidabad, I would like to go to my colleague Sandeep, who is reporting from a Ram Mandir in Wadala in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Sandeep, please take us through all the beauty and all the preparations that are happening in this Ram Mandir, in this particular Ram Mandir from where you are reporting ahead of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony tomorrow.
Right, Nikita, yes, as you rightly mentioned, the preparations are on full fledged out here. This is the Ram temple located in Mumbai's Wadala area, and look at the visuals. We are giving you the live visuals from this very Ram temple out here in Wadala, and today, early in the morning, Abhishek took place and Alankar, and look at the visuals, Nikita, the way Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman are being decorated. In fact, they are dressed up in such a way. This is incomparable visuals, and in fact, you see the visuals out here. The devotees are singing the kirtans out here. The Ram Naam Jap is underway. You see the visuals. We'll speak to a few of the people. Listen in to the kirtan out here that is being performed.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram is the kirtan that is being in fact chanted out here. The senior priest of this very temple, Mr. G.S. Bhatt, will speak to him. What kind of preparations are gonna taking place out here in Mumbai's Ram temple?
Hey, Mumbai lot of government is doing, but our temple has made lot of preparation for 3 days function starting from yesterday. Yesterday we have Vedic Havana, then in the night there is a Palki Utsava and Bhajana program, and today also there today you have seen Vedic, we are chanting Vedic mantra here.
So you just see the visuals out here. Number of devotees are seen out here, and we'll speak to them. We'll try to speak to them. क्या कुछ कहेंगे, क्या भावना है आप लोगों की? कल राम लला का जो है वो प्राण प्रतिष्ठा होना है, क्या कुछ कहेंगे उसको लेकर के? क्या कहेंगे राम लला का कल प्राण प्रतिष्ठा उसको लेकर?
ये राम अयोध्या है, छोटा अयोध्या। राम तो मिनी अयोध्या बोलता है। राम तो कितने साल से अपना एक ऐसा एक खुशी का माहौल है, सब खुशी का माहौल है हमारा आज।
We have the vice chairman of this very temple. आप बताइए क्या खासियत है इस मंदिर की? कल जो है रामलला अयोध्या में भी उनकी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा होनी है, कितनी क्या कुछ भावनाएं?
वडाला का श्री राम मंदिर इज़ बेटर नोन एज अयोध्या ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। 60 साल की परंपरा वाला यह मंदिर 550 साल का गोकर्ण पर्तगाली ज्योतम मठ के अंडर आता है। हमारे करंट स्वामी जी श्रीमद विद्याधीश तीर्थ स्वामी जी के गाइडेंस के साथ हम 3 दिन का सेलिब्रेशन यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है। कल ये सेलिब्रेशन चालू हो गया, जिसमें धार्मिक विधानों के साथ, कल्चरल प्रोग्राम के साथ, शाम को पालकी उत्सव वगैरह सब हो गया। आज भी समथिंग सिमिलर रिपीट होगा और कल शाम को सुबह के धार्मिक प्रोग्राम के साथ में कल शाम को एक बड़ी शोभा यात्रा निकलने वाली है जो करीब 3-4 किलोमीटर की।
Definitely Shobha Yatra to take place, and we'll speak to few more ladies out here. The devotees out here will get their reaction. आप बताइए, what's your thought process? Ram Lala is gonna come today, tomorrow, and Pran Pratishtha is something that we all are looking out for. What's your thoughts?
We are very fortunate. Our generation is very fortunate that we are getting the opportunity to see this day and experience it. It is one lifetime achievement for us, and it is such a great day in the history of our India that Ram Lalla Pran Pratishtha is going to happen.
आप क्या कहेंगे? क्या कुछ भावना है आपकी?
हमको शब्द ही नहीं, हम रोज इधर राम मंदिर में रहते हैं हम लोग।
The feelings, the emotions are on the peak. The emotions are on the peak, and this Ram temple is something that maximum VVIPs are gonna come tomorrow, who will not be in fact taking part in Ayodhya tomorrow. So they are in fact expected out here at Wadala's Ram Mandir, located in Mumbai. Back to you.
Sandeep, thank you so much for taking us through all this beauty and the women chanting Sri Ram's name. Maharashtra is known for lavish celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi, but here in Maharashtra's Ayodhya, as the locals just called it, we can see how eagerly they are awaiting the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. In fact, viewers, I would like to share with you that even IIT Bombay is going to organize a ceremony tomorrow ahead of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. So Maharashtra is in full spirit. And that was my colleague Sandeep reporting from Maharashtra's Wadala, Mumbai's Wadala's famous Ram Mandir.